It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and I have a new custom-built home on acreage here in Richmond that I'm really excited to show you. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to 70336 Welding Road in Richmond, a stunning custom-built estate offering 3,100 square feet, featuring 3 beds, 3.5 baths, and perfectly situated on a private 1.5 acre lot with an additional 1.8 acres extending to Armada Ridge Road. From the moment you arrive, you're welcomed by the charming 8x7 covered front porch, setting the tone for the craftsmanship and attention to detail you'll find throughout. Step inside and immediately notice the thoughtful design. 9-foot ceilings, extra wide 4-foot hallways, and 30-inch doors throughout, creating an open, spacious, and highly functional layout. The great room offers both comfort and flexibility, complete with a dedicated 20 amp circuit ready for a future electric fireplace if desired. The kitchen truly serves as the heart of the home, showcasing floor-to-ceiling LaFata cabinetry, a large farmhouse sink with built-in soap dispenser, garbage disposal, and a reverse osmosis system for clean, purified drinking water. The primary suite offers a private retreat, featuring an 11x5 walk-in closet, a luxurious European soaking tub, and a beautifully finished walk-in shower. The second main floor bedroom includes its own walk-in closet and convenient access to a full bathroom with a walk-in shower and pocket door entry, ideal for guests or multi-generational living. Upstairs, you'll find a cozy sitting area, a third bedroom with a large walk-in closet, and a full bathroom featuring an expansive walk-in shower. Just across the hall is an impressive 700 square foot bonus space with its own mini split system, offering endless possibilities. Whether you need a 4th bedroom, home office, gym, playroom, or an additional living space. The basement continues home high quality construction with 9-foot ceilings, 200 amp electrical service, and a high efficiency HVAC system. The mudroom and laundry area are designed for everyday convenience, featuring a custom 5-foot bench locker system, additional storage, LG appliances, and a nearby half bathroom, making this space as functional as it is impressive. Step outside your private outdoor oasis. The 26x13 cover patio flows seamlessly to the 26x25 wood deck, complete with a fully equipped natural gas outdoor kitchen, featuring Napoleon Oasis cabinetry, a Blackstone griddle, infrared burner, and an Ani pizza oven. Truly an entertainer's dream. The property itself offers a one-of-a-kind setting with a scenic limestone walking path, a charming wooden bridge, and a peaceful fire pit area tucked among the trees, creating your own private retreat. There's also an 8x7 covered side porch, perfect for keeping deliveries protected and out of sight. Storage is no concern with a 40x14 Amish-built shed and a 16x12 custom shed, offering plenty of additional space. For the outdoor enthusiast, you're located just 440 feet from the Macomb Orchard Trail, providing easy access to miles of biking, walking, and recreation.
Thank you guys for previewing my newest listing here in Richmond. If you have any specific questions or want a private viewing, please contact me directly. And as always, we are here to serve you.